Today I'm going to give you the ultimate guide to finding retro samples, sample sources where you can get samples from way back in the day, how we used to get samples before the internet. Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we are going to talk about sample CDs from back in the day. I remember there's lots of different sample CDs that people used to dig into, and this was from the CD era, but before that we were talking about breakbeats, ultimate breaks, one to whatever, DJ Triangle albums. A lot of this was on LPs. It was also like literally scratch albums and mixing and scratching albums, so you know they were made for that purpose. But the sample CDs now, when they came out, you had Jungle Warfare, Ecstatic Goldmine, you had on a jazz tip, you had Simon Harris Breaks and Beats. He released a full set of sample CDs that were flipping fat, man. Lots and lots of breakbeats. Like I say, ultimate breaks. There's stacks, and a lot of those were mastered CDs, man, and the breaks sounded really crisp. Also, Future Music released quite a lot of sample CDs on their early magazines, and I used to collect those. Used to get free sounds and stuff with it, software demos, etc. used to come out on the Future Music stuff, so that was pretty handy. Don't forget, if you're feeling lucky, you can check out my website www.samploids.co.uk, where you can get lots of samples packs to download and stuff, and also merchandise. Check out my merchandise on there. Also, another cool source of samples was movies. Lots of people used to sample movies. There was lots of movies out there that used to get sampled to death. Now I remember one of the movies was Evil Dead. That used to get caned. There was lots of samples in there from classic jungle tunes. There was Marked for Death. That was by Steven Seagal. That was also a movie that had lots of stuff. Good, the Bad and the Ugly. A lot of old westerns. As a general rule, you'd have to find anything really. If you're sitting there watching a film, we would just like rewind the film back and just record it to tape, whatever, stick it in. Sometimes recording it to tape used to give it an edge, you know, and just sample it straight into the Akai. Straight from a turntable. We used to hunt to obscure record shops and stuff like that, and just like find these obscure samples, just record shops in the back street somewhere that no one knew about, pound section, whatever, and just go through. And if it had a sample on it that you could use, we would just take it, sample it, twist it up, put it into sampler. You know, comment down below if you want to see a video with me twisting up samples, sampling and manipulating them and changing them into something new. Smash the like button if you want to see that. Also, don't forget, I've got the Brain tracksuits that I'm currently working on. They're nearly finished now. I'm going to have some different options. Left chest, left leg, Brain logo. Also option to have the embroidery on the back. They're looking kind of sick. So yeah, comment down below, let me know if you want to see those Brain tracksuits get up on the site. I've also just launched the Joker purple hoodie on www.samploids.co.uk. So that's it, guys, a little insight into where I got samples from back in the day. I hope you found this video interesting. If you have, then please smash that like button, and I will do another video with a bit more advanced into how we used to go about sampling and stuff. So yeah, I hope you found that video useful. Take care, God bless, peace.